Do you need help running your dance or theatre school? Well, this video is for you. Hey, my name is Sarah. I am a dance business mentor and I help dance and theatre school owners to grow their business on their terms. So that's giving them more money, more freedom, more time, less stress, and all that good stuff in their dance or theatre school. So let's get into it, right? Okay. You need help on your dance school. Well, that was going to come in many different forms, realistically, okay? It starts with, when are you ready? Okay. You tend to know you're ready because you're constantly stressed, you're juggling, you're spending hours researching solutions to things that, really you need, like this, okay? And you realize that you can't do it all. Maybe you are juggling a full-time job or even a part-time job and the dance school. And all of this at some point is going to give, because there's only so much energy that you have in your body, right? Okay. And there's only so many nights you can go without good sleep. And there's only so many times that you can just keep eating on the run before something gives, and it will be your health. Okay. There is this roller coaster that I talk about being on as a dance or theatre school owner, that you just do this. And it's because you go, yeah, this is amazing, and then crash and burn. And then, and crash and burn. And this roller coaster that you're on, you need to get off. And that starts with asking for help. And asking for help can often be difficult because you want to do it all. Then maybe there's that control freak in you that's like, yeah, I got this, it's fine, it's not a problem. Yeah. But it can be difficult asking for help. But often the reason it can also be difficult is because we don't know where to ask for help, or we don't know what we need help with. We just know that we need help. We need help with everything. I just need everything to be sorted and done and dusted. It doesn't always work like that. You really need to dig down and ask the question, what do I need help with? And that in its own right will provide you, hopefully, lots of answers. Okay. So let's break that down a little bit further forward. Okay. I need help with my admin. So is that you need to get onto a CRM system, which is a database, and that will save you hours and hours of administration time. So if you already have that, are you using that database to the best of its ability? Often these databases release new features all the time. And because you're busy, you don't go, oh, what is that new feature? But by just asking them for help and saying, I don't think I'm using this the best. Can you please, give me a little bit of time and just talk me through some of the features, because I think they could save me time long term. Then that is an investment and they will help you. Okay, because they want you to be using their service properly. All right, so that's a good start. Maybe it is something to do with your emails and you want help with the emails. Maybe you can start to do templates, or a next step above that is to do some sort of automation. I teach this in my membership so that you can start to step away from the constant emails of all the enrollments and the chases and the reminders and so on and so forth. Okay, it is doable to get that fully automated. It is doable. But the question is, you have to put the work in order to learn it, to make it doable. And that's the bit that you need to make the time for. Because when you're talking about, making changes administratively, then often the solutions are there. You just have to go, do you know what? I'm doing nothing Monday morning other than learning X. I'm doing nothing Monday morning because I'm going to try and help improve my administration, will mean you'll sit there and you'll go, what do I start with? Again, even just acknowledging that you need help with administration is almost not enough. You need to then break it down further and go, what element of it am I struggling with? Pinpoint that and then go, that Monday morning, I'm working on that one thing. Just that one thing. Okay? Maybe it's something specific or technological. I've said that right? Yeah. Like your website or your accounts. Well, if it's your accounts, hire an accountant or a bookkeeper to take that work off you. It's one of the best investments you can do, guys. Yes. If it's website and you're just like, I need to be able to update my website and I can't do it on my own and it's really complicated. Sometimes just hiring somebody for 1 hour of their time to just go, teach me that, is worth its weight in gold, because them teaching you in that hour will save you so many hours in the future. So sometimes it's just, again, about getting specific. Is it about management? Is it the staff? Is it that you need front of house help or front of house training? Again, that's in my membership. Do you need assistance with classroom management? Do you need meet and greet people just to help guide people when they come in? Do you need a teacher? Do you need a project staff? What's a project staff, Sarah? Well, a project member of staff would be someone that I would bring in and say, look, show's coming up. I need someone to take the entire costumes off my hands. Your job is to, here's a budget, is to find the costumes, liaise with the teachers as to what they want, send out the letters, source the costumes, price the costumes accordingly, and buy them. And then organize them. Yeah, there's more to it than that. And we know there is. But that's a specific project for a specific period of time that you hire one person for to take it off your hands. Does that make sense? So, again, you need help in your dance school. But what help do you need? Be really, really specific about it. Okay? And if it is someone like me, a dance business mentor and specialist. I ran my own dance school for 24 years. I've only just recently sold it. And with all my years of experience and management training, am I the person that you need to reach out to say, Sarah, help me sort this out? Is it that you need to join my membership and get onto my 9-step CPD accredited roadmap, which literally guides you through step by step? This is how, boom, to set, do this, now that. Guides you through being able to systemize and set up your dance school for success so that you can start to take a back seat. What is it that you need? Dig down, guys. And once you've dug down, then go, I need this and I need that person for that job. All right? I hope that has helped. I will leave a link below to my membership. But I'm here. Reach out to me if you have any questions and let me know. And don't forget to subscribe, will you? Let me know how you're doing. Take care.